Today we're going to be talking about something a little bit different. Typically you might come here for a costume or a wig tutorial, but in lieu of the idea of making things, I would like to talk about making money. I'll share a couple starter tips to get you a little bit more comfortable with the idea of having conversations about finance and getting you going and thinking about your money and thinking about how your money can grow for you. There are ways that you can best bulletproof your portfolio to be able to weather the volatility and the emotional turmoil of a teenage girl who's upset about her first breakup. That can be the market. So let's jump right in with the first thing that you should know about the stock market. Number one, the stock market is best as a marathon, not a sprint. The best kind of investing isn't very exciting. The second number one rule about the market is diversify. Ooh, you must diversify your portfolio. What does that mean? It means you don't keep all your eggs in one basket. Those stories you hear of so-and-so losing all of their money and this and that, that is because that person probably put all of their eggs in one basket.
Quick tip, a stop loss order on your investment is designed to protect your asset in the market, but more about that in another video.
That's not to say that you can have a completely diverse portfolio, and if the market tanks, like say you had a bunch of money spread out over a bunch of companies in March, and then it just all tanked. Well, the last thing you want to do, and this is the third number one rule, is don't sell when the market's crashing. Just wait it out. Just chill. The market has a way of course correcting. Slowly over time, it will grow back up. Okay, I could get really deep into this video because I'm just mad about all this stuff, but I want to keep it down to the three number one rules, which are: fear not, you will be okay if you educate yourself, make sure you spread your money out in your portfolio, and three, don't sell when the market's crashing. Just relax. There are so many little other things in all of those statements I just said. I am planning to make videos about them because I eat this stuff up. And I hope you join me on this journey because it is cool.
Embrace your geekiness by clicking subscribe to my channel. Thank you.